Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your phone number for FaceTime instead of your email address. So guys, if you want to use your phone number for your FaceTime instead of your email address, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. All you have to do is that simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below all the way, and from here tap on apps and then scroll it below and go to FaceTime, and then scroll it below, and from here you have to simply check this to your phone number if it is on email address. So I simply check this to your phone number and you will be able to use the phone number for your FaceTime instead of your email address. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.